Hello Rakesh. So let's see your rough drawings first. I think I really like these two designs. They are working for me, especially this one, though it's a very simple design, but I kind of like the overall look of it. For your final design, we have used a variety of shapes with organic and geometrical both. Now, what is happening is this is becoming very obvious that this particular oblique shape is leading towards the focal point. Um, if if you could have actually taken the focal point and placed it somewhere here, uh, that would be much more interesting assignment design. First, second, these four textures here. So they are for now they are not really you know popping up, but when you do the similar textures using paint, it will take away all the attention from the focal point, and this will be very difficult. So just try to limit the texture to one or two. With this video, I'm also checking your color design. So what happened was, here in your black and white design, you have the highest contrast around your focal point. When we do the color study, we want to actually use the colors of the same value. So this is darkest and around it is the lightest. So this should be a very light yellow. I think you simplified a lot of elements in your color design, but again, instead of this, I think this is becoming more of a focal point. I think instead of using it seems like each and every element it's scattered away. You need to connect these elements together, so we need more of overlapping. Here it was a very complicated, but when you paint it, so it's a bit different. Try to use the same design, because when we do a black and white study, we kind of judge ourselves on the basis of values and drawing how our final outcome will look. So try to stick with your design. Now that you have changed and simplified it, try to connect these shapes. So probably you took 1, 2, 3, 4 square. Maybe the third square could be a bit bigger and overlapping or cropping this shape here. Same goes with the shape. This could actually end right here, a bit inside, or maybe extend till here, extend till the edge. Um, you move the focal point a bit in the center, that is great. And try avoiding outlining the shapes, like this outline here, this outline, this outline. So what happens is, whenever we outline anything, we are kind of creating a boundary that, okay, this shape is ending here. But actually, when I see the picture as a whole, so this is not just one part. The entire picture has various parts. When I see it as a whole, this is my border. Like, this is where the art should end. So never outline the elements which are inside these four outlines. Rest, I think you are doing good. A little more work and uh, you will exceed. I think the value pattern is pretty much clear to you. Though the value pattern here changed a bit, you started from dark to light, but whereas in your black and white design, it was a mix of values going around. So pretty much, I like your black and white more. So if you want, you can resubmit your color design.